Welcome back. We are covering tip number 10 of 25 tips to become a covering tip number 10 of 25 tips to become a better driver. Maybe I should be covering tips to become a better speaker. Before we get started here, do me a favor and click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and then click the alert button to be notified of future content. If you're back multiple times, just come on and join the family. We're at 40 some subscribers right now. We're moving our way slowly up to 50 here, and we've been doing this for a little while. But again, I'm not taking any shortcuts in terms of building my YouTube channel. I'm not paying to have subscribers. I'm, not trying to take, have people, subscribe back and that type of thing. I'm just letting it happen organically, doing the work, building the content library up, and hopefully as people find it, they'll start sharing it, find value in it, and then also doing these little steps of clicking subscribe and like and alert to let YouTube know that this content is valuable, and that then helps them distribute it to other people that are similar to you and have similar interests. So I appreciate the 40 some people that we have right now, and the small little family that we have. I really do, and hope you all are doing well. But we're going to get going with tip number 10 for 25 tips to become a better driver. This is a little fun one here. This is if you've not done it before, I encourage you to do it. It's flash your lights to help truckers merge. So here's what's going to happen, right? Especially when it's dark out, right? But truckers, because of the length of their cabs and their truck beds, it's hard for them sometimes to gauge if they have enough space to merge or not, right? And especially, we talked about never, tailgating a trucker a couple of videos ago as well. But one of the things you can do to be, a good citizen with them, and if you have a truck driver who's a good citizen, what you can do is this can work in the day or at night, but especially at night when it's harder for everybody to see. But if you're going to let a trucker merge over, or even if you're in the same lane as them and you see that they have enough room to merge if they're using their blinker, just give your lights a couple of flashes of the brights, and that lets the trucker know that they have enough space to actually merge. And so a lot of people who are trying to, have them get over and out of the left lane to complete their pass, a lot of times if you help them out a little bit and let them know, especially if they're pulling in front of you, just give them a little flick of the lights, of the brights, and that'll let them know, and then that'll let them know that they can merge, and they'll do that. And what you'll find is that they'll kind of turn their lights on and off a couple of times to kind of thank you. And it's kind of a cool little communication deal here, right? So, do that a lot when, you're driving on long trips, especially, down I-75 to Florida, but anywhere you're driving, most truckers know that and will, acknowledge you. And it's something that you can get the kids involved in and just get into the practice and the habit of doing that. It becomes a fun little game that you play, actually, and giving people enough time and space to merge, and the truck drivers. And so, again, not all of them will do it, but again, you should still do it anyway to let them know, that it's safe for them to pass. It's good for the, everybody that's on the road. And again, our goal here is to do the series is to bring everybody back home safely and without incident. And so give it a go. And if you do it, and I want to hear if you want to share with me your experience in the comments that you tried it for the first time, and if it worked or not, and if the truckers actually, thanked you, and just how it all went. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And again, before we get going here, do me a favor, click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and click the alert button. It really helps YouTube know that you appreciate the content that's being developed, and it'll help them distribute and push the video and the channel to other people. So we'll talk to you at the next video.